Come out for a bit of a run today. Bit peeved after last night. You see, I ended up losing, well, having to close out of some trades that were quite profitable. You see, I've been using some grid trading on the Euro franc, and the Euro franc's got low volatility, and grid trading it was just bringing in me like $5 20 times a day. It was awesome. I was earning like quite a lot of money out of this Euro franc grid trade. It was crazy. However, last night I got a email from my broker saying that it looks like the Swiss bank is supporting their currency, not letting it go below 105 when pegged against the euro. I took this as very bad news. You see, the broker's so worried that they've dropped their leverage down to 1 to 100. So, being a grid trader, grid trading this particular currency, I looked at that and thought there was a hell of a lot of risk all of a sudden. Last time, I'll show you a chart, but last time the Swiss bank decided to peg their currency against the euro, this happened. Yeah, kind of exciting. It's not something I want to risk. It's kind of the thing that breaks grid trading, especially when you're hedging like I am. I would not recommend it. Decided to get out. Personally, I love grid trading Eurofranc. It's got low volatility, it keeps going up and down in a small range. And the big advantage of that with a grid is that once the grid is established, it just keeps bringing in profits. Like the only drawdown is when the price moves into an ungridded area. Then that area's got a grid in it, so the price keeps moving up and down in that grid, keep bringing you profits. But with this particular chart, if this was to happen again, it would extend my grid a long way. And yeah, it's quite dangerous. So I had to close out with a 2.5 grand loss. Kind of sucks. Though overall I made 9 grand, so I'm up about 6 grand from this particular trading system. So yeah, my plan is to wait till the Swiss bank stops doing what they're doing and leverage returns to normal. Then I'll open up a grid at a lower grid size, lower lot size, and let it run for a bit and see how that goes. And as I gain confidence in it again, then I can expand my grid sizing and earn a lot more money. But yeah, I came out for a run because I'm a bit peeved, and this is the Blue Mountains. It's quite spectacular, if I do say so myself. So I've come out here to release some stress. Anyway, best of luck trading, guys. Good luck.